Have you ever wondered about the intricacies of human sexuality and intimacy? Have you been curious about the physiological and emotional dynamics that shape our experiences in the bedroom and beyond? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore human sexuality, from the physiological effects of sexual activity to the nuances of kissing preferences and the importance of attentiveness in relationships. By the end, you'll gain valuable insights to enrich your understanding of yourself and your partners, paving the way for deeper connections and more fulfilling intimate experiences. Before we begin, please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Activate the bell to avoid missing any videos. If you like the topic, comment 1. If not, comment 0, so I can improve future videos. Now, let's begin. When an older man engages in sexual activity with a younger woman, it often involves a delicate dance of desire and intimacy. As he caresses her breasts, he ignites her senses and fosters a sense of flexibility and comfort. The tender yet purposeful touch sets the stage for the unfolding act of passion. Amidst this tactile exchange, the man's arousal becomes palpable, his penis responding eagerly. This physiological response is deeply ingrained in human sexuality, where arousal begets physical transformation. As momentum builds, ejaculation looms. For many men, this climax arrives swiftly, semen spurting forth in a culmination of desire and release. It's a moment both primal and profound, affirming virility and vitality. Yet it's crucial to recognize the variability of sexual performance among individuals. Some may reach climax with ease, while others may navigate a more nuanced path. In this diversity lies the importance of mutual satisfaction and communication, ensuring both partners' needs and desires are acknowledged and fulfilled. The sexual encounter between an older man and a younger woman is a complex interplay of physical sensations, emotional connections, and intimate desires. It's a journey marked by the exploration of pleasure and the pursuit of mutual fulfillment. Sexual penetration is a nuanced interplay of physical sensation and emotional connection, where each touch carries profound significance. When pressure is applied to the vagina with the penis, it triggers physiological responses, including the release of lubricating fluid, facilitating smooth penetration and enhancing the experience for both partners. However, the timing and manner in which a man achieves an erection can vary significantly based on numerous factors, including age. Younger men, typically under 40, may attain an erection within seconds, fueled by youthful vigor. This rapid response underscores the dynamic nature of male sexual arousal, a complex interplay of physical and psychological stimuli. Moreover, it's imperative to acknowledge the ethical dimensions of sexual interaction, particularly consent. Persuasion should never be used to coerce a woman into sexual activity. True intimacy flourishes in an environment of mutual respect and genuine desire, where each partner's autonomy is honored. Sex transcends mere physicality. It is a profound expression of intimacy and connection, uniting individuals on multiple levels. Beyond pleasure, it serves as a conduit for emotional and spiritual bonding, forging deep connections. It also carries the potential for procreation, underscoring its significance in the human experience. Sexual intercourse is a sacred union between a man and a woman, where bodies intertwine in a dance of passion and desire. It is a testament to the depths of human intimacy, where each moment shapes our shared experience. The setting's ambiance plays a pivotal role in shaping the experience of sexual intimacy for many women. Dimly lit environments where shadows dance and soft hues create intimacy foster a sense of ease and comfort, encouraging deeper connections. As women journey through life, their bodies undergo profound changes, particularly during menopause. One such transformation occurs within the clitoris, which may enlarge to nearly 2.5 times its size during adolescence. This physiological evolution highlights the dynamic nature of female sexuality and the importance of understanding changes at different life stages. Many women find their peak pleasure through self-stimulation rather than conventional sexual gratification. Masturbation allows women to explore their desires free from societal constraints. In partnered sexual encounters, position choice profoundly influences intimacy and pleasure. The missionary position, with its inherent closeness and intimacy, remains a favorite for many couples. It offers practical advantages like intimate eye contact and maximum skin-to-skin contact, heightening sensations and enhancing the experience. This position also stimulates the clitoris, adding a dimension of pleasure and bringing partners closer to ecstasy. The interplay of environment, anatomy, and sexual technique weaves a rich tapestry of pleasure and intimacy in female sexuality. From the gentle glow of dim lighting to the intricate anatomy of the clitoris, each element contributes to the mosaic of female sexual experience, inviting exploration, discovery, and ultimately profound fulfillment. The exploration of different sexual positions and techniques is a testament to the boundless variety of human desire and pleasure. One such position involves the woman on all fours, while her partner penetrates from behind. This position, often referred to as doggy style, holds a unique allure for many, offering a blend of primal intensity and intimate connection. As the man enters from behind, the sensation of deep penetration can evoke a visceral response, heightening the sensations of pleasure for both partners. For some, the added element of multiple penises inserted into a woman's vagina may enhance the eroticism of the experience, intensifying sensations and amplifying pleasure. Lesson 1. It's crucial to dispel misconceptions regarding the physical effects of penetration on the vagina. Contrary to popular belief, inserting multiple penises into a woman's vagina does not permanently increase its size. The vagina is a remarkably adaptable organ, capable of accommodating different sizes without causing persistent pain or discomfort during sexual intercourse. The flexibility of the vagina allows for a wide range of sexual experiences, each uniquely pleasurable. During penetrative intercourse, a woman's pleasure can be heightened by the man's attentiveness to her G-spot. By touching this erogenous zone while the woman holds the man's penis, both partners can experience a deeper level of connection and satisfaction. Lesson 2. The sensations experienced during sexual intercourse can vary significantly depending on the position chosen. For instance, engaging in sex while standing may offer a firmer sensation in the woman's vagina, potentially enhancing pleasure through a different angle of penetration. However, individual preferences and experiences of pleasure can differ widely. Lesson 3. The dynamics of sexual engagement are influenced by psychological and emotional factors, not just physical anatomy. Men and women experience and engage in sex differently, each bringing unique desires, fantasies, and inhibitions to the bedroom. Women, in particular, are fully capable of immersing themselves in sexual experiences, navigating the complexities of desire and pleasure with agency and autonomy. The exploration of sexual positions and techniques is an ongoing journey of discovery and delight, where partners seek to unlock the secrets of each other's bodies and desires. From the primal intensity of doggy style to the nuanced pleasures of G-spot stimulation, each encounter is an opportunity to deepen intimacy, explore new horizons, and bask in the ecstasy of shared pleasure. Lesson 4. The intricate dance of sexual attraction unfolds with captivating complexity, weaving together the threads of desire, arousal, and motivation. For approximately 90% of women, the mere presence of an attractive man can serve as a potent catalyst for heightened sexual arousal. This innate response, rooted in primal instincts and evolutionary psychology, underscores the profound impact of physical attraction on the human psyche. However, the motivations that drive individuals to engage in sexual activity can vary widely, shaped by personal desires, cultural norms, and societal expectations. While men may prioritize finding a suitable location for intimate encounters, women's motivations may stem from a broader spectrum of emotional and psychological needs. The dynamics of sexual attraction and pleasure evolve, influenced by age, experience, and individual preferences. It's not uncommon for a young woman to be drawn to an older man, captivated by his maturity, wisdom, and worldly experience. Lesson 5. Despite the allure of such relationships, there may be inherent differences in sexual excitement between partners of different ages. The disparity in sexual excitement can stem from various sources, including physiological factors such as libido and arousal patterns, as well as psychological and emotional dynamics. Younger individuals may possess a greater level of sexual energy and spontaneity, while older individuals may approach sexual encounters with seasoned wisdom and maturity. A young woman in a relationship with an older man may navigate a complex terrain of desire and fulfillment, balancing the allure of maturity with a yearning for youthful passion. Lesson 6. The interplay of age, attraction, and sexual pleasure is a multifaceted tapestry woven from the threads of desire and experience. Each individual brings unique perspectives and desires, shaping intimate relationships in profound ways. While age may indicate experience and wisdom, it is ultimately the chemistry and connection between partners that fuels passion and desire. The passage of time brings changes, and sexual function is no exception. As individuals age, it's important to recognize that the penis can undergo shifts in physiological response during sexual intercourse. One common manifestation of aging is a decrease in rigidity, where the penis may not achieve the same level of hardness or firmness as in youth. This natural process underscores the importance of understanding and adapting to changes that accompany aging, fostering an environment of acceptance and exploration in intimate relationships. Lesson 7. The language of desire extends beyond verbal communication, encompassing non-verbal cues and signals. In the intricate dance of sexual interaction, gestures, expressions, and body language play a pivotal role in conveying desire and consent. A woman's arousal can often be discerned through subtle cues, such as flushed cheeks, dilated pupils, or heightened breath, even without spoken words. This nonverbal exchange serves as a powerful means of connection, forging deep intimacy and understanding between partners. In the realm of sexual exploration, cunnilingus emerges as a potent tool for enhancing pleasure and intimacy. This act of oral stimulation, focused on the clitoris and surrounding erogenous zones, can unleash waves of ecstasy for the receiving partner. The gentle caress of the tongue, rhythmic movements, and subtle variations in pressure create a symphony of sensation throughout the body. For many women, cunnilingus represents the pinnacle of pleasure, offering a pathway to orgasmic bliss. Importantly, cunnilingus transcends mere physical pleasure, serving as a profound expression of intimacy, trust, and reciprocity. When a woman desires cunnilingus, it signifies a craving for both physical pleasure and deep-seated trust in her partner's ability to provide satisfaction. In honoring her request, the partner affirms their commitment to mutual pleasure, fostering connection and unity. The journey of sexual exploration evolves through understanding, communication, and mutual discovery, from the nuances of aging and physiological change to the language of desire and consent. Lesson 1. The act of cunnilingus stands out as a beacon of ecstasy, offering boundless potential for pleasure and connection. The benefits of sexual activity extend beyond pleasure, reaching into our physiological well-being. Engaging in sexual intercourse with a partner 2 or 3 times a week has profound effects on the immune system. Research suggests that regular sexual activity stimulates antibody and immune cell production, bolstering the body's defenses. Lesson 2. The intimate connection shared between partners nourishes both the soul and body, promoting health and vitality. The aftermath of satisfying sex often leaves a woman yearning for more, her body and mind primed for further pleasure. Deep penetration, in particular, holds a special allure for many women, offering heightened sensations and intensified orgasms. When a partner provides deep penetration, it signifies not only physical intimacy, but also an understanding of the woman's desires. In response, the woman may seek further sexual encounters, eager to experience maximum pleasure again. The act of deep penetration from the first night of sexual exploration holds unique significance. As the man inserts his penis and begins rhythmic movements, a profound sense of closeness envelops both partners. Each thrust blurs the boundaries between them, immersing them in shared passion. Lesson 3. Deep penetration offers not only physical pleasure, but also emotional and psychological rewards. For many couples, it represents trust and vulnerability, a surrendering of inhibitions in pursuit of mutual pleasure. In this act of surrender, barriers dissolve, allowing partners to explore their desires without reservation. The journey of sexual exploration is an odyssey marked by intimacy, ecstasy, and connection. From immune-boosting benefits to the ecstasy of deep penetration, each aspect of sexual experience offers growth and fulfillment. Partners find pleasure and a deeper understanding of themselves and each other, forging bonds that endure. The art of kissing is a personal and intimate expression of desire, with preferences varying between individuals. While both men and women enjoy kissing, their preferences often differ in pace and intensity. Women often prefer slower, more deliberate kisses that allow for deeper connection, serving as a prelude to intimacy. Lesson 4. The body can betray emotions and desires that words fail to express. A woman's leg shaking before sex may indicate nervousness or excitement, highlighting the mind-body interplay in sexual desire. Attentiveness and thoughtfulness in interactions deeply resonate with women, fostering connection and intimacy. Remembering details about her life, like her favorite flower or cherished memories, speaks volumes about a man's interest and investment in the relationship. These gestures of attentiveness deepen bonds between partners, fostering intimacy beyond physical attraction. Each interaction, whether a tender kiss or heartfelt conversation, strengthens the connection, forging enduring relationships. Thank you for joining us on this journey through human sexuality and intimacy. We've explored various topics from physiological effects of sexual activity to kissing preferences and the importance of attentiveness. We'd love to hear from you. What have you learned? Is there an insight you're eager to apply in your life? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support helps us create content that educates, inspires, and sparks meaningful conversations. Thank you for being part of our community. Until next time, take care and stay curious.